see some examples of one-to-one function. One-to-one function is a function that can pass vertical. If a function passes horizontal line test, it's a one-to-one function. It means it has an inverse. Now let's look at an example. Let's say we have this graph. I use a different color. Let's say we have a line passing like this. Is this a one-to-one function? To find out whether it's a one-to-one function and if it has a inverse function, you have to do a vertical line test. If I draw a vertical line in this function anywhere, it just passes one point at a time. So you can say this is a one-to-one function, and this has an inverse function. So let's go and write that. F of inverse x exists, and this is a one-to-one function. Now let's look at another example. What just happened? Okay, I don't know. I create a new one. Okay, let's draw another graph. Okay, let's say we have a parabola like this. Is it a one-to-one function? Does it have inverse? Inverse function? Now in order to check that one, you can draw a vertical line. Not vertical line, horizontal line. And here you can see this one passes more than one point. So here we have one point passing through and another point. Therefore, this function doesn't have inverse function. Therefore, this is not a one-to-one function. And if you look at the inverse of this one, it looks like this. It looks like this. And for this one, if you draw a vertical line, it passes more than one point. Therefore, this is not a function. Now let's look at another example. Okay. Okay. Let's try another one. Let's look at these graphs. Let's try these two graphs. There's something wrong here. Okay, I create a new page for it. Okay, let's try two graphs. So first graph, let's say we have I'm gonna first put x-axis and y-axis. So the first graph, let's say we have a circle. I'm gonna draw from here. Let's use a different color actually. So let's say we have a circle like this. For the next one, let's put something like this. Let's say we have a graph going like this, or like a little bit curve, something like that. Is this a one-to-one function? No, because if you draw a horizontal line, it passes more than 1 point, so this is not a one-to-one function. And also therefore this one doesn't have inverse function. Inverse function does not exist. And this one, if you draw a vertical line, it only passes through 1 point at a time, so this is a one-to-one function, and the inverse function does exist. Let's look at another example. When I erase, it's coming white. I don't know why. I can change the color. No. Okay, let's forget about this. Let's try a new one. I had to fix this one. Okay, let's draw another graph. Let's say we have a graph going like this. Is it a one-to-one function? Does it have an inverse function? So if you draw a horizontal line, it passes more than 1 point. So this is not a one-to-one function, and also this one doesn't have an inverse function. Doesn't exist. Okay, and that's basically it. That's for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video.